A big hello to my YouTube family. Welcome to Diva Classes. This is Divya Vadwani, your English teacher. Today we'll be solving Julius Caesar's most important MCQs that are a part of competency focused practice questions, in which we'll be taking the portion of drama today. Okay, so the first MCQ is about this Julius Caesar. Mark Antony stirs the emotions of the crowd in his. Now, he gives the speeches ना, तो वो जो स्पीच देता है उस स्पीच को क्या कहते हैं? इज इट एन एपिलॉग जो एकदम किसी भी ड्रामा के एंड में दिया जाता है? नो. दिस इज प्रोलॉग जो बिगनिंग में दिया जाता है इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए? नो. दिस इज फेयरवेल स्पीच? नो. दिस इज यूलॉजी. यूलॉजी जब आप किसी की अच्छाइयाँ बता रहे होते हो तो द आंसर विल बी हियर एज यूलॉजी. Okay, next question. Question number 42 that says that means this is the part. First we'll be doing the stories and poetry part also we'll be doing. First we'll complete this drama section. So, O world, thou wert the forest to this heart, this indeed, O world, the heart of thee. Which of the following uses the same literary device as given in the above poem? इन द अबव पॉइंट्स. ठीक है, तो बोला गया इसमें कि ये जो स्टेटमेंट दिया गया है वो कौन सी सेम लिटरेरी डिवाइस यूज़ कर रहा है, दैट यू हैव टू टेल हियर. तो द सेम लिटरेरी डिवाइस दैट इज बीइंग यूज्ड हियर इज ब्रोकन पेंसिल्स आर पॉइंटलेस. Then next one, select the option and the literary device that is being used here is pun, means some sort of that comic literary device it is used here as figure of speech. Next one, they will kiss dead Caesar's wounds with reverence. Statement 2 says that people of Rome have just heard Antony read out Caesar's will to them. So statement 2, the answer is statement 2 is the cause of statement 1. मतलब कि इस ये जो हुआ है ये क्यों हुआ है? because of this. Okay, next one, what is the attitude of the mob in this scene? So this is irrational. Why? Because ki they are very quickly being swayed by the speech, first by that Brutus's speech and then by Antony's speech. Then next one, which of the following is not an example of irony that is used here? So the answer is that Antony compares the conspirators killing ऑफ सीजर टू एप्स एंड हूंट्स. तो ये आयरनी का एग्जाम्पल नहीं होता है. आयरनी व्हेन यू से समथिंग बट योर मीनिंग इज समथिंग एल्स. तो बाकी सारी चीज़ें आयरनी के लिए हैं लेकिन द लास्ट वन इज नॉट ऑफ आयरनी. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेज डज मार्क एंटनी नॉट यूज टू डिस्क्राइब लेपिडस इन एक्ट 4 सीन 1? उसमें वो कौन सा उसके लिए वर्ड या सेंटेंस या एग्जेक्टिव नहीं यूज़ करता है. ही नीड्स टू बी टॉट एंड ट्रेन, हाँ वो बोलता है. ही फॉलोज ट्रेंड्स एंड फैशन, येस. ही इज़ अ पीस ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी, येस. जो अच्छी बात वो नहीं बोलता है दैट इज़ हाई स्पिरिटेड फेलो विद आइडियाज़ ऑफ हिज ओन. तो ये सारी चीज़ें वो बोलता है, ये चीज़ वो नहीं बोलता है. तो नॉट यूज पूछा गया है तो 46 का बी विल बी द आंसर. What opinion does Octavius hold about Lepidus? He is industrious, responsible, good statesman or tried and valiant soldier? So he is tried and valiant soldier. Then Brutus and Cassius did not argue in front of their men. The reason, they did not want an audience. They did not want to demoralize their troops. ठीक है, they do not want to collaborate a discussion or to discuss in a calm environment. No. Then next one, Brutus does not allow his pain and anguish to interrupt his professional life. This portrays his practice of stoicism. बाकी तीनों नहीं होते हैं इसमें. Stoicism is a practice that tells you about your own, means you hide your pain and sufferings from people. आप उनको नहीं show करते हो. O Cassius, you are yoked with a lamb. Which of the following uses the same literary device as given above? So you are yoked with a lamb, so it will be used as his voice is velvet. Okay, and this speech is known as this literary device is metaphor. Metaphor is a kind of a literary device that tells you कि as और like को यूज़ किए बिना जब आप कोई भी comparison करते हो, that is you are yoked with the lamb. You look like this, so यहाँ पर also his voice is velvet. She is a rose. ठीक है, ऐसे करके. What feeling does Cassius' words convey when he refers to Octavius as a peevish schoolboy and to Antony as a masker and reveler? तो वो बोल रहा है कि केशियस के वर्ड्स से क्या पता चलता है, अच्छी बुरी क्या बात वो बता रहा है. तो दिस इज डिसडेन, मीन्स ही इज़ नॉट यूजिंग सम रिस्पेक्टफुल वर्ड्स, वो उसकी तारीफ नहीं कर रहा है, उनसे डर नहीं रहा है, वरी नहीं कर रहा है, इट इज़ डिसडेन. देन the next question, which of the following given options list the sequence of events in the correct order? ये भी याद रखना आपके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो it will be 52 का D वाला आंसर. सबसे पहले इस फर्स्ट वन, ड्यूरिंग द बैटल ऑफ फिलिपी Brutus's army inflicts an early defeat to Octavius's troop. This is first. ठीक है. Then the third one, meanwhile in another part of the battleground, Cassius learns that his camp has been surrounded by Antony. This is 2. Then 2 wala, seeing some troops in the distance, Cassius sends Titinius on horseback. This is 3. ठीक है. Then fifth one is next, Cassius instructs his servant Pindarus to climb a hill nearby so that he can give him a detailed account of all that has happened. Okay, so this is fourth one. And last is the fifth one, that is Pindarus, seeing Titinius surrounded by horsemen, assumes that he has fallen into enemies' hands. Then moving towards the next one, that is Cassius's reference to ravens and crows and kites taking place of 2 mighty eagles that accompanied their armies from Sardis, tells us that. वो उसके बारे में, ये अगर हम कैरेक्टर्स के बारे में सोचें तो ये उसके बारे में क्या बताता है? तो इट टेल्स दैट ही इज़ फिल्ड विथ सुपरस्टिशियस ड्रेड, मतलब उसके अंदर अंधविश्वास वाला जो डर होता है वो भर गया है. इन एक्ट 5 सीन 4, लुसीलियस प्रिटेंड्स टू बी ब्रूटस and is taken as captive. His action reveals his loyalty to Brutus. Okay, 54 is loyalty to Brutus. Yes. To whom does Brutus refer when he says, "Are yet 2 humans living such as these? The last of all Romans fear thee well." So he is talking about Cassius and Titinius. Then next one, select 2 options. First is Brutus is a believer of Stoic philosophy that tells that the person is not showing off his pain and suffering, and he choose to take his life rather than face humiliation of being captive. तो दोनों स्टेटमेंट्स एक दूसरे से क्या हो रही हैं? कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट हो रही हैं. एक तरफ वो अपनी पेन एंड सफरिंग को दिखा रहा है, वो खुद को मार दे रहा है, एक तरफ ही इज हाइडिंग इट. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट इज Cassius and Brutus make up their mind to die rather than to be taken as prisoner. Which trait and character is revealed here? तो this shows their pride. जब आप अपनी पूरी डिग्निटी के साथ किसी भी प्लेस को छोड़ते हो, so that the consequences are not held, तो इस that is known as pride here, जहाँ पर जो इसका यूज़ किया गया. Pessimism, किसी चीज़ के नेगेटिव साइड को सोचना. Resignation, to leave, ठीक है, with a notice. And sadism होता है when you are inflicting someone else and you are seeing someone in pain and you are happy with it. The pleasure that you get seeing someone in pain is sadism. So that's all for today. Rest we'll be doing soon. Tell me if you want the solution of all these questions, so I'll be doing it for you all since it is your paper. Do mention it in the comment box. Any other issues, any other queries you have, let me know. Keep preparing. Best wishes. Thank you.